James, how was really good for me in class last year? So I can't say right now. It's definitely a close. She doesn't like me? Yeah, you should be our science teacher. I'm going.
Yeah, you should be going.
Go by. I'm going to New TV on Monday.
Wow! What? Just leave our coffee out. Oh, no, Becky, no.
I'll give you a break because there's a lot of people talking here. Yeah, that's it. Oh, wait. Hold on to him. Yeah, we're gonna go over them.
No. Mom said no. Yeah, that's it. Mama said no.
You show hands if you're still not done with the test. Come on this way. What, Becky? You should see the last hour.
Oh, no.
We're gonna blow off on it.
What? Oh, my goodness.
not blow the stone. Stone only weighs 71 pounds.
Yeah, seriously.
Maybe that's why you can blow it.
Blow up.
Why are you so skinny? Why are you so skinny?
Calm down, Jack.
Knock it off.
No.
What's that? Busa. Canyon, shut up.
David's going.
I didn't even call me ugly.
Canyon.
Wait. Does everybody get written up if they say B-E-C-K-Y?
No, but he was.
I'm writing your name on it now.
Wow.
What is the minus on these?
What did you get?
25 per week. 5%.
Wow.
Canyon.
Right now, Bailey's having 23. 57.
23? I thought 21.
Your name on the board is
Yeah, I
one.
mean 24, wow. Oh, that's
Wow, Canyon.
That's if you're not getting in it. You still lose the point.
Do I have a minute?
Yeah, you can wait till after class.
Game is frustrating.
David, that's your warning.
Yes. I hate you.
Right, what?
On the skirt.
You guys want to roll on?
Whoa. David.
Wow.
I'm actually making a video for YouTube right now. Me too.
Oh my God. John, what?
That's our masturbating. Not yet.
It's gonna be called Sounds of the Classroom.
Sounds of the classroom.
Yep. Now I'm putting it up on YouTube.
Yeah.
You can reach out.
Yeah, everything you say, I will record.
Do you have our permission to do that? If not, I will sue you.
It's right there.
Is it video?
Ejaculation. Masturbation.
All right, everybody done?
Calm down.
Are you done with that? Is anyone not done with the test?
John, 37.
We got 12 more to go.
Throw a tree.
We got it. You know, yeah, we got about 5 minutes, Amy. We got time.
5 minutes to where, like,
No, it's still good.
Hey, give us coins. Good job, John. Good job.
Canyon, Justin, there's your warning.
Oh, what did I do?
we didn't get warnings.
Wait.
Yes, you did.
No, we didn't. You
Yes.
never told us we were gonna
Yeah,
get
you did, Bill.
Yes.
You never gave me warning. I said you gave her a warning and you gave him a warning.
I said stay.
No, you didn't.
That should be another thing about it.
You hear that?
Silent wheels come
It
forward.
sounds an awful lot like you. It's a whining siren.
Oh, your poop's falling now.
Fire or something.
I didn't even hear it, and I was like right on the
I
bell.
guess.
Hey. That's Damien Finch. He just told me that one.
Yeah, he did.
So should I go with a grade for that one?
Yeah.
All right. Exchange your papers. Yeah.
I changed you, my baby. I changed your diaper. I licked your Don't come out off. Bottom half is oh.
And how does push-ups make you better at basketball?
Yeah, buddy. Go ahead. How about you, Skyler? You are super cool. I'm gonna kill you.
All right, number one.
Aye.
Good experiments comes in smart and wrong garage. Good experiments can be only conducted if you have the latest materials and tools. So, we got a half-hour class. Fall. Great. Good experiments.